Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today it's Sunday and I'm making rice and peas with fried fish, barbecue chicken and some pasta for dinner, and I'll be making some carrot with dew plum and ginger juice as well for dinner. In the next clip you probably see me my peas is already cooked. You will probably see me seasoning the peas part before I put in the rice. So enjoy my video. Guys, I'm putting in my coconut milk in the pot. Then I'm gonna put in the seasoning. This your video now? Is it your video?
Yeah.
No, but that video me video this.
I phone me a video today.
Really good taste test. Yes, it's good. Alright, now we can stop it. So guys, I'm just laying the chicken on the pan. Yeah. Hey guys, just finished cooking because I had to work. I had to stop to go work, and after I come back I couldn't really get to video anymore of me making Sunday dinner, but I'm actually finished now and I will show you how my dinner turned out. I'm sorry I couldn't get to film anymore because I had to stop to work. I had to do a crochet braid. If you want to see that, you could check out my other channel at Denny's Hair and Beauty, where my work is at. You could see when I upload that crochet braid video. But let us show you what my dinner is looking like. So guys, here it is, all done. This is mine. This is my nephew. Okay, he doesn't eat fish and he doesn't eat vegetable. Every time I put the vegetable in his plate, he throw it away, and I hate wasting food and I hate seeing it. So every time I tell him not to do that, he keep throwing them away. Even have to take the vegetable out, it's pasta. But this is mine with the pasta, the vegetable, the fish, and the barbecue chicken. He just want the pasta, the chicken, and the rice and peas. So, and he's having the carrots with the dew plum and the ginger, and I'm having the beetroot, carrot and ginger for my juice. Okay. So guys, I'm actually going to eat now. I have my dinner now, so I will see you guys next time, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And I see that I'm getting views from a lot of you guys who are subscribing, so subscribe to my channel and support my channel. Okay, so thanks for watching. All right, I'm gonna taste this lovely meal. So good, guys. So good. Thumbs up. It's good. That's beetroot juice. Okay, so thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.